Example, is that book yours? Is that book yours? This is correct. Is that book yours? Apostrophe S, this is wrong. That car is theirs. That car is theirs. This is correct. The car is theirs. With apostrophe after S, this is wrong. The car is theirs. This is wrong. Some examples. I like Betty's hair. I like Betty's hair. Jason's father. Jason's father. This is Karen's jacket. This is Karen's jacket. 3 hours delay. 3 hours delay. Friday's party. Friday's party.